Hello everyone. In this today's section, I want to introduce a CTF platform named 247ctf.com. Yes, it is a very not too much famous CTF platform, but it is rising day by day. And in this today's video, I will give the review of this CTF platform and how you can log in. And I will solve one CTF challenge, basic level CTF challenge. Just I will solve it. Okay. So to go to that CTF website, first you open your browser and search 47 CTF. I know the name is little bit strange, but it is fine. And this CTF platform owner has a YouTube channel also. You can subscribe his YouTube channel. He teaches nice things on it. You can check it out. And if I go to his CTF channel, 47ctf.com, and here you can see it is loading, and see what a awesome platform and awesome look it is giving us. To solve this CTS, first we have to join. Join means we have to create an account. In the top side here you can see play, login and join. There are three buttons are there. Click on the join button, and here it will say to give your username, email and password. Then click on I am not in robot. In username, what you can give? You can give your name, you can give your short name, you can give your nickname, you can give your stylish name, any name which you can remember, and you can type that again easily. Here you can give anything name, give your name or anything else, sorry. And in the email section you have to give your email, and I am using template. I'm just showing, I will not use the template. And here you have to paste your email, and here you have to give your name. Okay, consider I'm giving you the name, and I am giving the email of giving the email this, and the password section. Some guys are confused which password what password we have to give. We have to give our email password, or you have to give and create a dedicated password for this account. The answer is you doesn't need to give your email password. You can give any password to here which you can remember. Okay, you give your password. Here it is saying your password must be in between of 8 and 128 characters. Okay, you give your password. Sorry, here you have to give your name, password. Consider I have given a password. Then here it is saying I am not a robot. Click on this box and click on submit. Okay, I am not doing because my already account has been created. After you click on submit button, you will directly log in to their dashboard. Okay, I am just not logging with this account, with this random account. I have already created my account. Okay, to login with your account from the dashboard, click on login, then give the username by which your account has been created. My username is sbhacker, and here my password. I have given a password just like that, and I have to click on I am not a robot, then have to click on submit. Guys, let me to fill up my password. 1 minute. Now I have filled up my password. Now I am clicking on submit. And in any case, if you forget your password, then you have to click on your forget your password. It will send and message to your mail, and it will goes on. You have to do from there rest thing, whatever it says. Now click on submit to login. After you clicking on submit, then you will redirect to this web page. This is their dashboard, and here you can see in the URL https://247ctf dot slash dashboard. Okay. Now what? After you click on okay, when you will create your account and after you click on submit, you will directly redirect to this page. And here you can see guys, so awesome look, dashboard is there. Here you can see the dashboard, progress, scoreboard, activity, subscribe, about, logout. Let me to break it down. Everything. Dashboard means your, sorry, your this main board, and the progress means, sorry, let me to click on. Okay, let me do. After you click on your progress, then here you can see your progress, beginning tutorial, how much you have completed, and this all, how many CTFs you have completed, what origin you are, what your points, how many you have solved. This all it will show in your progress section. In your scoreboard section, here it will show who is the number one, whose point is highest, and here you can see their point is highest. The same thing we see in the Try Hack Me platform also. The similar thing. Let me to open Try Hack Me platform in between. Sorry. And the one great thing you know about this 247 CTF platform, CTF.com, it doesn't gives us any VPN. Yeah, it is really true. It doesn't gives us any kind of VPN. We doesn't need to connect with an VPN server. It will dedicatedly open an web page or any kind of dedicate web page to attack on this on that. Let okay. Okay, I am closing the try hack me. I have to log in afterwards. Leave it. Now here you can see in the scoreboard section you will know which player has the highest point, as we see in the try hack me platform. In the activity sections, here you can see the activities of them. This all section is not so much important. I in the subscribe section, here you can see their subscribe plans. Their monthly subscribe plan is $5 and their yearly subscribe plan is $50. If you want, you can subscribe to. And in the about section, here you can see they will say about them little bit, and here you can see Discord. You can join their YouTube channel, Twitter, Discord, and this all. And here are some rules, you can read it out. Nothing to show more, guys, really honestly, nothing to show more. These are all the CTFs you can see. The main thing is on the dashboard section. And first you have to come on dashboard, then here you will see, right, and there you will see this kind of things. 8 challenges beginner tutorial. What you have to do, click on this beginner tutorial arrow sign, it will expand, and here some challenges will open. Here you can see some challenges. If I click on the first challenge, then here you can see 247 CTF is a security capture the flag learning environment. The platform contained a number of hacking challenges where you can test your skill across web, cryptography, networking, reversing, and exploitation by solving problems to recover flags. Unless otherwise stated in the challenge description, all flags will follow the format of 247 CTF, and there will be a hex value, 32-digit hex value. Okay, once you have to solve this challenge and obtain the flag, then you can submit and rate the challenge based on the difficulty. For example, here you can solve this challenge right now by submitting this flag. Now what you have to do to submit the first challenge, here you can see one flag is there. Copy this flag, and in your case there will be one option to submit flag. You have to click on flag, and then you have to paste that flag. Let me show it how it looks like. And here you can see in your case also this kind of flag option will be there. Here you have to paste the flag and click on this arrow button. Unfortunately, it will say your flag is invalid because this is not this flag. This challenge flag is different. Okay, like this. Here you can solve the first CTF challenge I have already solved, and in the second CTF challenge, here you can see downloading challenge. Here you have to click on the download challenge, and one file will be downloaded. I'm just showing you. I will not show every challenges. Here I am opening. I'm just extracting it, and let me to show how this challenge looks like. Where it gone? And here you can see one flag is there inside this zip file. Click on this flag. You will get the flag. Copy this flag. Now, in the second challenge, here you will given one box. You have to paste that flag which we have copied. Then click on this arrow sign, which will be there in your case, and your this challenge will also be completed. Guys, this challenge are very basic. Honestly, I'm saying this first challenge, beginner tutorial challenge, this is very basic. Here you will not get the real fun, and the real fun starts from the cryptography to web. This will give you real fun. Click on this cryptography challenge, and here you can see some points are written how many can solve this challenge, and the what they have rated to this challenge, how hard it is. 170 point this challenge is. 584 people have solved this challenge, and the rated of this challenge, how difficult it is rated as moderate. Okay, fine. Now you have to expand this. Click on this download challenge. Can you recover this secret XOR key which we used to encrypt the flag? You have to click on this download challenge. Your challenge will be downloaded. I will recommend you to always use some penetration distribution, just like black box, black cards, parrots, Kali Linux. Use this kind of operating system. Don't use what I will say. Don't use Windows and this kind of. You will face some problem. And here you can see one file is there. Wireshark capture file. It means this file has been captured by Wireshark. To open this, now here you solve this flag. I am not solving this challenges. I will solve all the challenges one by one, but not today's video. In my today's video, my aim is to show this platform and you start solving this platform. This platform is awesome for starting the challenges. Nothing more. So goodbye.